Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. If you were new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. Guys, right now we do have a giveaway going on our channel. I will put a link down below. It's just a thank you for your support. It means so much to me. And if you are new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We have a great time. And guys, please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me about your day, telling me what you think of the unboxing. I love hearing from you guys. So as you can see, we have the September Test Tube Beauty, or Test Tube by New Beauty subscription. Now this is a bi-monthly subscription, so this is actually kind of like the September/October box, and it is $29.95. You do pay for shipping, so it comes out to about $36, $37, I think, total. But again, it's bi-monthly. I think it's a great price. You're gonna find skincare, you are gonna find hair care, beauty, you know, you may actually have beauty like makeup products in here. It's got a wide variety of products, and the value is always amazing. So I'm excited to see what we got. There are a few things that did not fit into the actual tube. It did come in an outer box. So we're just gonna get started. I don't know if I'm gonna say this correctly or not. Aquage or Aquage? I am not sure. But it is a dry shampoo and it is a big one, y'all. It is 8 ounces, but it's a big boy. And this is $24. You can find it at Ulta. It says this hybrid product combines the cleansing, oil absorbing powers of a dry shampoo with the volumizing benefits of a texturizing spray. Ooh, that's awesome. Spray on hair previously styled from 8 to 10 inches away, concentrating on the root area. I love dry shampoo, so I am super excited to have this. I have not heard of this brand. It says they are committed to sustainability and supporting conservation efforts that make a difference in saving our oceans. So that's fantastic. I love this already. Then we have got, and I've seen these and I've wanted one, so I'm super excited to have it in here. This is actually from After Spa, and it is an it's bath and shower exfoliating washcloth, but it's one of the like really long ones. You can see here that it stretches out so you can like get your back really good. If I didn't say, it's $7, and it says, now we can scrub all those hard to reach places without the fuss. This exfoliating washcloth is treated with an antimicrobial coating that resists the accumulation of bacteria and fungi. That's fantastic. So you just moisten the fabric and apply body scrub or body wash. Gently massage your skin in circular motions and from side to side until you feel clean and exfoliated, and then rinse the towel. You'll hang it up. It says clinically tested for all skin types, so that's great. So yeah, I'm excited. Pretty simple, but I love it. So we got that guy. And then the next item is from Good Beauty Science right here. It's interesting packaging. And this says 005-5, formulated with Good Silicon Plus Skin Firming Cream, restores youthful spring and resilience to skin. It says that the Good Silicon technology carries the right combination of ingredients to where they need to be and releases them over time. It's patented technology, no silicone, no parabens. This has Poria cocos and barley extract. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, provides intense moisturization for smoother skin, rich with antioxidants for healthy and radiant skin. And it says to apply, you just clean, you put your blah, blah, blah. Sometimes I think I need a blooper reel. You apply it to clean skin morning and night. You can use 1 to 2 pumps and you just massage it into your face. Looks like you could have actually gotten 4 different variations. So you could have gotten a purifying face cream, You could have gotten a hydrating face cream, a brightening cream, or this skin firming clean. This biotech native brand leverages the natural properties of elemental silicon. Its proprietary Good Silicon Plus technology delivers scientifically proven ingredients in a bioavailable state and time releases them to perform their intended function. That is fancy. All right, so let me open this. It's got like a little seal here on the back. So here is the actual packaging. This sounds amazing. So there's what it looks like. It's actually kind of the color of my skin. There's no scent at all. And I prefer to not have scents in my skincare. So I'm excited to add this to my collection and give it a try. It soaked right in. It feels super soft. That is awesome. And if I didn't say that, it's $48. All right, and then we have one more item here out of the tube, and this is from Maskology. This is a Pucker Up Lip Plumping Kit, and this is $4. This 3-step kit includes an exfoliator, lifting mask, and a plumping gloss for the most thorough pick-me-up your pout has ever experienced. First, gently exfoliate lips, then apply the mask and let it work its magic for at least 15 minutes, and then finally apply the plumping gloss for a full and renewed effect. So it literally is like a little kit. So you have got the exfoliating scrub, the lip mask here, and then over here is the plumping gloss. So that is interesting. I've never seen anything like that, like a 3-step. So that's neat. All right, so now let's get into the actual tube. And I like these because you could actually reuse these because these are like sturdy cardboard. So, I mean, you could use this to store things this way. You could use it this one. You could put things in it and use it. There's ways to repurpose this, which I appreciate. All right, so we have got here from Anti-Age Home Micro Needling Intro Kit. Wow. So here is what the box looks like. Powered with stem cell growth factors, this kit is your one-stop shop to healthy skin. It includes 1 derma roller and 2 vials of home micro needling solution to last 10 treatments. Oh. Apply the solution to the skin before gently rolling the device back and forth on the treatment areas 4 times in each direction, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. That is interesting. This is $120. Holy moly. What? So you can see it's the roller and then the treatments here. What? I mean, I'm really excited about this. Okay, I see you, test tube. Wow. Goodness gracious. And then this is from C.O. Bigelow. This is an antibacterial hand sanitizer. So we always can use that right now. This is $6. This fragrance-free hand sanitizer is made with 70% ethyl alcohol, making it the perfect antibacterial must-have for stay-at-home season. So pretty self-explanatory. We can all use hand sanitizer. Glad to have some more. And then we have got this big boy right here. This is from L'Occitane. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Cleansing oil to milk. Let's see. Ideal for a healthy looking glow, this oil to milk cleanser removes all traces of waterproof makeup and impurities for irresistibly soft and supple skin. Use your fingers to gently massage the oil on a dry face, including the lips and eyes. Add some water to transform the oil into a milky emulsion and then rinse off. This is very interesting. It doesn't give a price for this. So I will look that up to see, because it says you can buy it at the L'Occitane.com. So again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I will look up what the price is for this. So, okay. One final product, and that is from Glow Skin Beauty. It is this suede matte lip crayon. This is $22. It says this crayon delivers full coverage and gives users the ability to easily customize both their lip shape and color. First, line the lips to give them definition and then continue by filling them in. The result? Rich, defined lips for any occasion. And I can tell, I think that everyone would have gotten the same color, and it is demure, but you can see there it's a very pretty like mauvey, plummy color, which is so perfect for fall. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. That is gorgeous. And it just went on smooth as butter. So that was the September 2020 Test Tube by New Beauty. I just want to call it the Test Tube Beauty. So I will add everything up and put that right down here so you can see the total value of this box. And I'll put a link down below if you'd like to sign up for Test Tube. This one is still available. Y'all, this is a really good one. At first I was kind of like, but going through it and actually reading about the products, I'm actually really excited. So let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. That link will also be in the description box. I do want to say thank you so very much to our channel members. Your support means so much to me, and just anyone being here watching, thank you so much. That support helps also just watching my videos. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.